Oh man, did we just get some awesome updates on IGTV for us IGTV creators. Let's talk about all the updates right now. Intro. Salutations everybody, Benjamin Brandon here, back, yes, with another IGTV tutorial. It's been a while since I've made one, and that's because I made a video a couple weeks ago sharing with you guys my struggle in creating a bunch of tutorials for all of you, and that was all this channel was doing, and it didn't really fulfill my creative outlet. And so to rectify that, I released my daily vertical vlog that I started on IGTV here on YouTube to share more of my creative outlet, more of the creative things that I do, especially trying to create a story in a 24-hour period. So if you've been a ride or die here on YouTube and you've been watching the vertical vlog, thank you for that. But again, the tutorials are not stopping. And that brings us into the meat and potatoes of today's tutorial, which is showing you all the new updates that have happened on IGTV this month, or in August. You're watching this in September. Let's go through them now. The first one is a small incremental update, but will totally help those who are trying to create more of a story and even improve your audience retention, and that is video length. Now, the old way and what we've been accustomed to is a minimum video length of 15 seconds and a maximum video length of 10 minutes. For those creators with less than 10,000 followers anyway. And for those creators with more than 10,000 followers, our maximum video length was 60 minutes or 1 hour. Now, here are the new video lengths. For all creators, the minimum video length now is 1 minute. So if you're trying to upload a video that's less than 60 seconds, that's not gonna happen. Which makes sense because the minimum video length was 15 seconds, and who would post a 15-second video on IGTV when they could just do it on Instagram stories? Me being an extreme practitioner of IGTV and I'm always on the platform studying it, I've never seen a 15-second video on IGTV. So the update on the minimum video length makes total sense. Now when it comes to the new maximum video length, this is the cool part because a lot of creators have been asking for this. Every creator can upload a 60-minute IGTV video now. However, that's only on desktop. On mobile, the creators who have less than 10,000 followers can now upload 15-minute videos versus the 10-minute videos you had before. And those creators can also go to IGTV on desktop and upload an hour-long video now. So if you have less than 10,000 followers and I don't know, you're doing a vertical video documentary or something and it's a long one, upload it via desktop. You're welcome. And for those who have more than 10,000 followers already, this update doesn't really apply to us there. But keep in mind, the one thing that did not change with this update is the maximum file size. It's still 3.6 gigs. Moving on to the second update. You're now allowed to edit when it comes to the IGTV preview feature. I'm personally excited about this one. Several months back, I taught you guys how to use the Instagram TV preview feature, which allows you to post the first minute of your IGTV video right on your feed for all to see. But the thing with that feature is it was automatic. You weren't able to select what portion of that 1 minute video people can see. It just showed the first minute of your video. But now that has changed. During your upload, you're now able to go into this edit preview option, which allows you to select the new start time between 0 and 60 seconds of your video. So take me for example, I always start my videos with a closed letterbox and that just raises up into a frame. And that's been cool, it's kind of my thing, but the first frame anyone sees is a black frame. Where now I can just simply bypass that black frame and scrub through something else within my video to become my preview. Some of you may be asking, why didn't you just stop the letterbox thing? I don't know. It's almost been kind of an internal joke for me. Plus I like the stylistic approach, I don't know. Now this feature is amazing, don't get me wrong, but something you've learned on this channel already is the first 60 seconds of your video, regardless of this feature or anything else, need to be the best of all time. Because if you keep someone watching for more than a minute, that boosts up your audience retention ginormously, and Instagram is more inclined to share that IGTV video on the Explore page or in IGTV itself with the new algorithmic selections. Pro tip. It's not really a pro tip, but you've learned this on this channel already. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe. This is literally what this channel is about. Plus vertical vlogs. Real quick, if this is helping you at all in any particular way so far and you're liking the updates, let me know by hitting the like button. Not a lot of you do that on these tutorials, and so I just figured I'm gonna tell you. Was that too in your face? I don't think so. Moving on to the next update, which is editing your cover photo. Now, no, this is not the big one we've been waiting for where you can replace your thumbnail. That's just not here yet. What this is referring to is within your upload in IGTV itself, you're able to select the quality of the frame from a 1:1 aspect ratio or your original 4:5, all to make it look better on your feed. As you can see here, this is a 4:5 thumbnail. However, let's say my head was cut off or I just wanted to get some more things in the middle. I can now zoom in and move the thumbnail around. And Instagram gave us this really cool mock grid, if you will, that allows you to see what your cover photo will look like on your feed. Oh, and here's a quick disclosure. Some of you may be going into your Instagram right now. I'm like, oh, I don't see these features. What the heck, Ben? And that's because it's important to note this. This is super important. Like, pay attention, like alert, pay attention. Instagram is constantly running different versions of their app amongst the masses in different countries and regions. But I say this because if you don't have the features right now, you will be getting them soon. This tutorial may be a bit premature, but watch everything else because you'll get all these features soon. And the last thing to understand when it comes to this new edit cover feature, those creators who are uploading landscape video, widescreen, 16:9 video, do not have this option. So if you upload a 16:9 video, you will not be able to edit your cover. I'm not sure why that is, but I mean, I got a love-hate relationship with 16:9. I love y'all just the same. Let's move on. Now for these next two features, I have not personally obtained them on my account or my client's accounts yet. But real quick, let's just talk about them. So if you're watching this channel, you're an IGTV creator and you've definitely have created descriptions on the app itself or on desktop. And something that may be annoying to you is when you're trying to tag a handle or someone, you have to know exactly what their handle is or it doesn't work. A lot of times what I have to do is like copy and paste their handle from the Instagram profile itself and then make sure I put the @ symbol and then paste their name right next to it. And that's just kind of my thing to make sure I get the accurate handle. Super annoying. For this particular update, the UI is going to help us out and auto suggest handles. So when you tag someone on an Instagram post and you start typing their handle, a lot of suggestions pop up on the bottom. This apparently is going to be a thing on IGTV. I say apparently because I have not seen it yet. I've only heard about it from a couple creators who have this feature, and I actually just read about it in an article 9to5Mac did, which I'll link below. So that's coming or here for some of you, I guess. Pretty cool. That's gonna help save us a lot of time. Now, piggybacking on that new feature, you also have auto suggestions when it comes to hashtags. For vert creators, we're used to going into stories because we make stories all the time, vertical creators, #vert. And when we type in our hashtags, we automatically get amazing suggestions on the bottom, which is an extreme time saver. Apparently, we'll now have this feature in IGTV as well. Not sure how it's gonna look, again, haven't seen it. But yet another feature that people have communicated to me, and again, is in the article that I linked below. Now, another new update or feature is the Creator Studio. A lot of you may have heard about this. Some of you may have used the Creator Studio in the past because it's been around for a while for Facebook. It's that tool that you're able to upload your videos and all your posts on Facebook, using it as a CMS or a content management system like Hootsuite or later. Facebook made one for us. What's even cooler about that is they integrated Instagram in a Creator Studio. Now, here's another disclosure. I will say that the Creator Studio for Instagram is cool and the potential is totally there, but for IGTV creators, it sucks. I mainly say it sucks because it doesn't work for IGTV yet. What Creator Studio is intended to do for us IGTV creators is post and publish and schedule our IGTV videos. And I was all excited about it and trying it. I uploaded the video, popped in my thumbnail, and well, it just doesn't publish. I did report the problem to Facebook. Hopefully they do something about that. And I have heard across the board that everyone is having the same issue. So we won't really talk about it in this video because, well, it's broken and let's hope they fix it for IGTV creators around the world. Gotta tell you, as a daily vertical vlogger on IGTV, I was looking forward to that one. But it does work for regular Instagram posts, whether it's a photo, a video, or a carousel. You're able to go into Creator Studio and upload from your desktop, which is amazing because you don't have that option on Instagram.com. And they did integrate analytics into Creator Studio so you can see everything that's going on within your Instagram or Facebook, but we talk about Instagram here. So if you want me to make a video on what the Creator Studio does for Instagram posts, let me know in the comments. I do plan on showing you guys how to use Creator Studio for IGTV uploads once that's fixed, but that's not now. But when they do fix Creator Studio, that is going to be the icing on the yummy banana pudding IGTV cake. I'm hungry. If you're an IGTV creator, if you're a new IGTV creator, or someone who wants to learn everything that you need to know to gain success on the platform, I would totally watch this playlist right here. Bunch of tutorials that will help you gain some success, gain some views, and more importantly, give you strategy to share your story with the world on Instagram TV. You can also watch the vertical vlog series right there. I am out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, notifications. You do you. I'm just here for you. I will see you on the next one. I'm out.